myself Pirevrat and welcome to the Helpful Techniques. So guys, I'm again back with a new job opportunity. So it's a great job opportunity you can say because this company, that means the GSPN, is hiring for the role of Big Data Engineer. So Big Data Engineer is one of the best job profiles in 2021 because data scientist or the machine learning engineer, data analyst, business analyst, and the big data engineer, these are the hot job profiles right now in 21st century. So if you have 1 to 2 years of experience in this field, then definitely whenever you are switching the company, then definitely you'll be getting a salary package of minimum of 8 to 10 lpa, then your life will be set. So I am requesting all of you to please watch this video till the end and know about the eligibility criteria. I think almost 90% people or the candidates or the viewers are eligible for this off campus. So don't miss this opportunity during this bad situation, that means the COVID-19 situation. So if we're discussing further, if you are new to our channel, then please subscribe so that you'll be able to get the timely updates regarding latest off campus. So they are hiring for the software engineer trainee, big data engineer, and the test is ongoing or the live right now because the test starting date was 12th March 2021. So today is 9th April 2021. Sorry for the delay, guys, but this job profile is live right now or the interview process is live right now. You can take the test from your home online, you can take the test, and the last date to attend this off campus or the written test is 15th April 2021 up to 10:30 p.m. 30 hours, that means the 10:30 p.m. So now let's discuss about the position, the location, and the eligibility criteria. So the position they are hiring for software engineer training, as we discussed earlier, and location, there are two different job locations are available, Gurugram or the Hyderabad. Two different job locations are there. As per your convenience, you can join. So now let's discuss about the job description. So it is available for the candidates those who are having 0 to 2 years experience. As I was telling you earlier, almost all the candidates are eligible for this off campus 0 to 2 years of experience, and job type is the permanent. Internships stipend or the training stipend will be getting 10,000 per month, and it's only for the 2021 year of pass out or the batch candidates. Because if you see carefully, this position is open for the internship as well. If you are graduating in 2021, then you have to undergo through the internship or the training, and during the training you will be getting 10,000 per month. That means after completing the internship of 3 to 4 months, you will become the permanent employee of this company. So for 2019 or 2020 or the for the other year pass out or the batch candidates, you will become the you'll be doing or working as a permanent employee. And bond, there is a bond of 2 years of agreement, no issues. This is a very great field. If you are having 2 years of experience, definitely whenever you are switching to the other company, definitely you'll be getting 8 lpa minimum. So now let's discuss about the job profile. So you need to develop high quality scalable data pipelines using big data, Spark, Java, Python, coding expertise. If you are good at Java, then you need to do, otherwise Java. So now let's discuss about the educational qualification required for this off campus. So education BE Tech, CSE, CSIT, ECE candidates are eligible. Unfortunately, mechanical or the civil candidates are not eligible for this off campus. MCA background candidates are eligible, aggregate of 60% above. So it is only for the BE Tech MCA 60%. For 10th or the 12th, 60% is not mandatory. Then technical skills required, Python, Java or SQL. So I know, or I guess most of the candidates know Java and SQL. These are the basic things. In Python, few people might not be have undergone this Python programming, but no issues. You must be knowing Java and SQL. Good knowledge of SQL, Hive, Spark, Scala, and Java or Python. They have provided slash. That means if you know Python or Java, then it is very easy to learn Java or Python. If you know Java, then you definitely will be able to learn Python later. They'll be giving you the training, but you must be knowing at least one programming language, either Java or Python. So now let's discuss about the salary. So you'll be getting the salary of 3.4 LPA, 3.4 lakh per annum, and this CTC is only for the year pass out, except year pass out based candidates except 2021. For 2021 year pass out candidates will be getting 10,000 per month during the training. After training, you'll be getting this much of salary. So it's a very good off campus. Candidates who have graduated in 2018, 2019, 2020 to 20 will be considered for the full-time positions. Candidates those who are graduating in 2021 will be initially hired as an intern and will be considered for a full-time position after successfully graduating. After completing your graduation, you will become the permanent employee. Okay, so now let's discuss about the selection process. So if you see here, there is a proceed button here, and after clicking on this, they will take you to the written test section where you will be able to attend the written test. So there will be a token generated for this off campus. If you see carefully here, 2 hours 20 minutes the test will be there. Duration is 2 hours 20 minutes. There will be an algorithm question based on the Java or SQL and the Python. If you are comfortable with Java, you can write the codes in the Java, otherwise SQL. There will be some coding questions because I have not got inside this, so I'll not be able to tell you more about the syllabus or etc. But definitely there will be a programming questions or algorithm questions. 2 to 3 questions will be there. So make sure that you have proper internet connection if your computer is taking expect. Yeah, one more thing, I have seen that most of the time candidates ask like is it possible for us to take the test in through our smartphone? I would suggest no this time, because if you previously have applied for any off campus through the My Anatomy, most of the time there will be the algorithm questions where you need to type and you need to execute. If you are using phone or the smartphone, it will very much difficult for you to type the codes. It is not so easy to type the codes because there will be a proper indentation if you are using or writing the codes in Python, definitely especially in the case of Python. So I'm requesting all of you to please borrow someone's laptop or desktop for this 2 hours 20 minutes test if you want this job. So the after taking the written test, if you are being shortlisted, then will be the technical interview and followed by one HR interview. So total there will be 3 to 4 interview process or the interview selection rounds will be there. So apart from this, I'll be putting this link in the description of this video. Apart from this, if you have any other doubts, you can comment your doubts in the comment section below, so that we'll be able to help you as soon as possible. So thank you for watching and all the best for your job search.